fuck? What just happened? Why'd the music stop? Krabs, are you still there? Krabs? What's going on?
How the fuck do I use this thing?
You're hot micing.
Oh, there we go. Hi everyone, lee. My name is Hatback.
Hey, Trick.
Right. Sorry. August 12th, 2036. The heat of the omniverse has been pushed forwards till August 12th, 2025 due to the increase in Blackfish prison on stream. Boom. I forgot my line card.
Presence of lightfishes contribute to a singularity forming under the chum bucket, which has resulted in the accelerated heat death. Unfortunately, we will all soon cease to exist.
Look, current malfunction. Now to tell you all the truth. You were lied to. There is no singularity or heat death happening. The lightfish are stopping this from all occurring. Remember, please, no fish